Welcome to day 4 of the 30-day AI Side Hustle Challenge yesterday. Use supercharged product creation with Midjourney and Canva. But great products need eyeballs. So today, learn how to explode traffic by syndicating every TikTok you film across Instagram Reels. YouTube Shorts and Pinterest idea. Pins automatically giving you triple the platform exposure algorithm, lift in sales. Potential without triple the work all in under one afternoon. Even if you hate repurposing content. Because automation is our theme and audience compounding is our objective. Begin by understanding why short-form video is the king of organic reach in 2025. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest collectively serve more than 10 billion vertical videos daily, each platform hungry for fresh posts and rewarding early adopters with outsized impressions. So skipping any channel leaves money on the table. Instead, leverage simple no-cost tools to push a single 30-second clip everywhere at once. Step 1. Record a raw TikTok, showcasing your AI-generated digital bundle screen. Record Midjourney images appearing overlay text. Made in 10 minutes with AI selling on Etsy tonight. Film a reaction selfie thumbnail, then edit with CapCut Mobile using the auto captions feature for accessibility and retention. Export before posting, save the watermark-free version by tapping the share arrow and selecting save without watermark in CapCut. If you're stuck, use Snap.cc to download your posted TikTok watermark-free. Step 2. Create a free account on the tool connect TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest accounts, and grant permission to repurposes workflow dashboard. Click Create New Flow, set TikTok as source and Instagram Reels as destination. Enable Remove Watermark, default caption, link in bio for instant download. Hashtags, #AI Side Hustle, #digital products, and schedule publishing at your account's top engagement times. Duplicate flow for YouTube Shorts destination. Title: Made this planner in 10 min with a description, Etsy link, challenge, hashtag, and day X reference. Then, add a Pinterest flow that converts vertical video to idea pin automatically. Step 3. Refine cross-platform hooks. Open ChatGPT and prompt write 3 platform-specific opening lines for a 30-second video about making $150 selling AI planners on Etsy. Copy the strongest for each caption. YouTube favors curiosity. Instagram loves Pinterest thrives on utility. Step 4. Automate bio links. Sign up for beacons, AI or Linktree ad buttons, shop bundles, free budget, PDF, and join 30-day challenge. Then paste the same beacons link across all platforms, ensuring every new viewer lands inside your ecosystem funnel from day 2, where your email sequence converts them into buyers. Step 5. Throttle frequency. Publish at least 1 syndication daily, and idea pins via repurposed, meaning 1 creation session yields for algorithm pushes. Optionally, set a backlog queue. Record 7 TikToks on Sunday. Drop them into a Google Drive folder, linked to repurposes auto-upload rule, and your entire week's content goes out hands-free. Step 6. Enhance platform native touches. After auto-posting, hop into YouTube Studio app to trim Shorts title under 45 characters. Add a playlist, AI Side Hustle Challenge. Pin a comment with Etsy link. On Instagram, add the reel to AI Hustle highlights, tag at Canva or at Midjourney for potential feature. On Pinterest, include keywords like meal planner, printables, and AI Etsy success in the idea pin notes for SEO juice. Step 7. Track analytics centrally. Repurposed shows, cumulative views, likes, click-throughs. Log these into a Google Sheet with columns: date, platform, views, sales spike. Within 2 weeks, you'll spot that. Say, Pinterest idea, Pinstrive high, link clicks at midnight, EST, while YouTube Shorts delivers subs. Double down by scheduling content at those spikes. Step 8. A/B test, thumbnails. CapCut allows a custom cover frame. Use Canva to export a still with big text AI design bright arrow to product neon outline around your shocked face. Test variant, be with clean aesthetic. Note which pulls more real views. Step 9. Solve platform limits. Instagram may mute videos with TikTok. Sounds download royalty-free background from YouTube audio library. Overlay in Kaput at 10% volume. YouTube auto detects licensed music use CapCuts. Pinterest prefers vertical 900, 1600 at max 60 seconds. Repurposed auto adds blurred bars if needed. Step 10. Multiply community engagement. Reply to every comment with PS freebie link in bio. Then film response videos to top questions, creating endless content loops. With these steps, 1 recording session now surfaces across 4 discovery engines, 4 times the chance to reach potential buyers. Quadruple traffic to your beacons link and supercharge your email funnel. Conversions. Etsy listing into a multi-platform sales machine. Your day for action list. Film a new TikTok tonight. Set up schedule daily syndication. Then tomorrow morning, check each platform for your first quadrupled reach screenshot in the challenge Discord. Smash like if you're automating cross-platform publishing today. Comment for reach activated and subscribe because Day 5 reveals the pricing psychology, hack anchoring, bundles, and charm pricing that boosts average order value 40% overnight. This is Money Loop, converting one piece of content into omnipresent revenue. One automated day at a time. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.